Hello, this is Maria and I'm making a second video tutorial on Exabis ePortfolio to show two features I left out in the previous one. So I'll try to upload a file to the ePortfolio, and in order to do so I clicked on the link. Now I'll have to write the title, and instead of using a URL, I'll take a file. I'll choose a file uploaded on my Google Drive, which is the same one I used for the blog post. And there it is. So now let's see, I don't want to add anything more content or anything, but I could if I wanted. I'll just submit now. And here it is. Here is the file. And I also added a note . I clicked here. Again, I had to type the title, and in the content area I typed a quote on student engagement that I liked, and I clicked on the submit button. So here's what we have. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is my video tutorial on Exabis ePortfolio. It has been a bit confusing, but I think that it's clearer now. Thank you all for watching.